Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to perform the experiment of pharmaceutical chemistry 2. The aim of the experiment number is 17. Aim of the experiment is to perform and report the identification test on the given sample of sulfamethoxazole as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. For this experiment we require glassware, that is test tube, capillary tube, Thills tube. Then see how is the structure of sulfamethoxazole. The chemical name of sulfamethoxazole is 4-amino-N- in bracket 5-methyl-1,2 oxazole 5-vial. Then bracket complete benzene sulfonamide is the parent here. So you know the steps involved in identification test, that is description of drug, then solubility in different solvent. So we have to see the solubility of sulfamethoxazole in different solvent. Later on we shifted to identification test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia, and then either it complies or not complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia, we will see. See the description of sulfamethoxazole. It is a amorphous white powder which is odorless. Now see the solubility in different solvent like acetone, alcohol, chloroform, ether, water and solution of sodium hydroxide. See in solvent, different solvent, water, it is insoluble. Then we added acetone and our drug sulfamethoxazole. It is again insoluble in acetone. Then see next in alcohol. See, it is insoluble in alcohol also. Then it is again insoluble in ether and acetone also. Now see solubility in sodium hydroxide. Now see the solubility in solution of sodium hydroxide solution. See it is soluble in sodium hydroxide solution. Now see the first test for identification, that is test A. In that we have to dissolve 5 mg in 10 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid and dilute 1 ml to 10 ml with water. We added acid. We have to dilute 1 ml up to 5 ml with water. Now we have to add 0.2 ml of sodium nitrite solution. We added sodium nitrite solution. After that we have to, after 2 minutes we have to add 2 naphthol in that. So we stay for 2 minutes. So we have to add in next step 1 ml of 2 naphthol solution. See the color change. So we get orange red color. So observe the color, orange red color we observe. So it is, and there is a precipitate of the orange color is produced. So our sample of sulfamethoxazole is complies the test A. Then the test B is determination of melting point of sulfamethoxazole. We already determined the melting point of sulfamethoxazole, which is found to be 171 degrees Celsius. So this both test A and test B complies for our sample sulfamethoxazole as per Indian Pharmacopoeia.